Are you guys currently facing this ban message inside Fortnite? Then this means you've been permanently HWID banned on the game. If you're unsure what an HWID ban is, it is when the game's anti-cheat goes ahead and puts a blacklist on your motherboard, meaning you're unable to access the game again anytime you try and play. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to fully fix this ban using a temporary spoofer. If you're not sure what a temporary spoofer is, it is an application that's going to be able to allow you to get unbanned in just one click. They're perfect to use because they're super efficient and simple. You only have to click one button and you'll be fully unbanned until you restart your computer. Better than using a permanent spoofer because instead of having to reinstall your entire device, you can use the temporary spoofer anytime you need to. And not only that, a temporary spoofer costs 10 times less than having to buy a brand new computer, which could run you thousands upon thousands of dollars. The brand we're going to be checking out is known as CleanBan. They have been a provider for many years, providing some of the highest quality products this community has seen. I want to go and show you guys some of the reputation this provider brings to you. If you head over to CleanBan's Discord server, you can go to their reviews channel and see hundreds of thousands of vouchers. This just shows how reputable they are and how long they've been in the game. They have vouchers going back years in advance, proving their worth to the community. They even have specialized reviews for each product so you can see which review matches the product you want. To get your own key to this spoofer, head over to cleanban.com and you're going to go ahead and see the temporary HWID. Go ahead and select on purchase and then you're going to see a few options. Go ahead and select however long you're going to be using the spoofer for and just select on purchase. After selecting purchase, you can scroll down and see all the games CleanBan supports as well as the operating systems and motherboard, and currently it supports all of them. Then just select buy now. After selecting buy now, you can enter your email address in where your key is going to be sent, then connect to your Discord to join it. Then you can pay with credit card or cryptocurrency. If you would like to pay with any other payment methods that they do not offer on their website, you could join CleanBan's Discord down below in the description. Before you go ahead and spoof your computer, it's always important to save your current serials to your desktop. After opening up the loader, if you haven't already saved your serials, you can click this button, refresh, and take a screenshot and save these. Then you can click spoof, choose which options you're going to need, and then hit continue. After going ahead and spoofing, you can pull up your before serials and your after, and as you can see, everything has changed, proving that CleanBan has 100% worked, meaning we are now fully unbanned from Fortnite, ready to hop right back in.